Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back. I have a couple of Traveler's Notebooks inserts that I've just finished. They don't have to be inserts, they can stand alone. I'm going to call these First Class Mail. These are the same. The only difference might be the hymnal pages because I've used Christmas music in here. Um, excuse me. These are 8.5 by 4.5. I've got a linen piece on the spine. These are sewn by on machine, so they will lay flat. And I just have the organza ribbon tie for closure. I've got an envelope here with a piece of writing paper that's tucked in the back here. Little spot there for hiding some things. This does open, and uh-oh, I got a little bit too much glue, but it's all good. You can tuck something in there, and then that will close that. With the designer page with the lace trim. We've got a banner tuck with I love the Santa, very old-timey. I've got a page that is smaller for making lists. I thought these would be fun. This one has "While shepherds watch their flock by night" and "Good Christian men rejoice." I have a little Santa tucked here, and he is tucked under this, which is a coin envelope. Excuse me. This has a little booklet inside. Everything's backed on coffee dyed paper. Well, I say everything, not necessarily everything, but most things. Most things are. So just attach that there with a paper clip and then stick Santa under there. Here's another list page. Here's a graph paper page, and this one flips out, so you have a little bit of extra writing space. Coffee dyed paper. This collection is Old Time Christmas by Artymaze, and the coffee dyed digitals are by Leanna Scrap. Both of those links will be below. Got another designer page with a belly band and another piece of ephemera from the collection. Love these images, so pretty. Another list page. We've got a doily. The doilies are not coffee dyed because I wanted them to be some contrast. I've got a pocket with a tag. Here's the center, and as I said, they are sewn, so they do lay. You can see how flat that is. Here we have another tag and a pocket, and the other side of the doily, a list page. Here is the belly band card insert on the designer page. Here's a coffee dyed page that I left full so I could fold over, give you some extra space. Here's another one of those flip over tags. Actually, it's not a tag, it's just a flip over with lined paper on the inside. I thought that would be fun. And I've just attached that with a paper clip over this page. Another list. And here's another envelope that says "Believe." This one has a little journal card inside. Wiggle it back in. And then I've just attached that over the page here with paper clip so it can be moved. The other side of the music page, list page. Here's a tag in this pocket with the flip over or flip up journal spot there. And then in the back we have one of the large tags from the collection with a taller tag in the back, and I've got some more writing paper with the line on the inside here, and then the smaller tag here. And then the back I've left relatively plain other than the linen. So this one is called First Class Mail, and it will be available in you know, my hands are cold and they're not working properly. This will be available in my Etsy store soon. I'm hoping to have them up by later this evening. So I've got 2 of those available. Thanks for watching. Bye now.